Are those outdated soffits above your kitchen cabinets cramping your style? Ready to transform your kitchen into a sleek, modern space? Stay tuned to find out if removing those soffits is the right move for your renovation. Hi, I'm Chris, the field supervisor in our kitchen division here at JSB Home Solutions. With over 45 years of experience in kitchen renovations, we've seen our fair share of bulky soffits that can make your kitchen feel outdated. Today, we're going to give you all the information you need to decide if removing your kitchen soffit is the right choice for your home. A kitchen soffit is that space between the top of your cabinets and the ceiling. It's like a cubby built with 2x4s and drywall. Soffits are often used to fill space, but sometimes they can be used as a chase for services to run through that would not fit within the walls of a house. Heating and cooling, ductwork, drainage pipes, water pipes, electrical wires can all be found inside soffits. Many times, having these things running through a soffit is unavoidable, especially with plumbing because it is gravity fed, meaning there has to be space for the pipes to drop and contents to run downhill. Sometimes soffits are borrowed by tradespeople, building your home and were never intended to house services. Wires and pipes can be run in this empty space rather than within the framed wall to save time in the building process. Regardless of why ducts, pipes, and wires end up in the soffit, they would need to be rerouted to be able to remove your soffit. Sometimes this isn't a big deal and requires minimal extra work, but other times it can be a major project costing considerable time and money. There are several advantages of removing a kitchen soffit. Removing a soffit can give you additional storage space, taller cabinets, or even stylish display cabinets with glass fronts. Plus, it opens up your kitchen, making it feel more modern and spacious. However, removing a soffit isn't without challenges, and they all boil down to increasing the cost of your project. It's very hard to know what is hidden in the soffit before you tear it open. Hidden ducts, pipes, and electrical wires can give you a surprise budget increase and extend your project timeline. Don't count it out just yet. There are 5 steps you can take with any contractor to help you decide if removing your kitchen soffit will be worth it for your kitchen. Step 1. Identify the soffit that you wish to have removed. This is as simple as pointing it out to your contractor. Step 2. Attempt to determine what is inside the soffit. Many remodelers will cut a hole in the soffit to explore what is hidden behind the scenes. The hole can then be repaired if you decide against the soffit removal. If the soffit removal is empty, great, go to step 4. If it is not empty, continue to step 3. One caveat is that if there is insulation in the soffit, you can't see anything, even with a small hole. You'll be flying blind if you decide to move forward with removing the soffit. Step 3. Determine if the things inside your soffit can be rerouted. Your contractor will be able to tell you what it will take to reroute any surprises you find in your soffit. Step 4. Decide on a contingency plan. Anytime you are considering removing a soffit, you should have a plan B. Even if the soffit appears to be empty, there are just too many unknowns when trying to remove a soffit, and peeking into one spot through a small hole is not a fail-proof system. Step 5. Weigh the cost and time commitment with the storage and aesthetic payoffs. In the end, weighing the potential costs against your project goals can prove a very challenging decision. For example, if you want to add more storage to your kitchen through your renovation, you can accomplish this by removing your soffit and adding taller cabinets. If soffit removal does not fit in the budget, then you know you need to find additional storage elsewhere in your plan. Ultimately, you will have a beautiful new kitchen even if the soffit remains. Will removing your kitchen soffit be money well spent on your project? It's an important question to ask. This is only one part of your kitchen remodel. Make sure you research the total cost of the kitchen remodels and the overall project timelines to help you see how removing a kitchen soffit will fit into your project. There are blog articles for both of these topics linked into the description of this video. If you would like the JSB team to walk you through the process of deciding whether to remove your kitchen soffit, contact us by phone or through our website to schedule an in-home consultation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home renovation tips. See you next time.